Hello, welcome back to this channel. People have been asking me how can they own their own YouTube channels. How can they create a YouTube channel? Well, good news is that if you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube channel. The first step is to create a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, you're gonna be having a YouTube channel. Your Gmail account is your YouTube channel. And please just smash that subscription button and also like the video and also put your thoughts in the comment section down there. Let's dive into the work and I show you how to create a YouTube channel. So guys, here we are. Just go to Google and search for Gmail, then create your own Gmail account. Alright, if you have an email already, you just have to use that email that you have. That means you have a Gmail account. If you don't have, go to create. You can create for yourself, create for my child, create for my business. It depends on what kind of account you need. Click that and fill in your details, your names, the last name, the first name, the email you want to create. There is password here, there is confirm. So here we are, accept the terms and conditions, private and terms of Google, and then proceed, agree. So your Google account is already created. Now you have an email. That means you have also a Google account. So what we're gonna do is to create a YouTube channel using your Gmail account, and that is so simple to create a YouTube channel. So go to YouTube, click that, then go to create channel. You can see create channel, then you're gonna have to give it a channel name. You see the name it has, the one is the one that I used when creating a Gmail. So here you are okay to change the name to whatever name you want your channel to be in. Then you can upload a picture, you can upload content. I'm going to show you all that. If you in beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to upload a picture and how basically you can upload your first video. So just click upload a picture and it will take you direct to your files. In your files, you go direct to your files and choose the profile picture that you want to use. If you don't know how to design a logo, I have videos. Check out my videos that I made about logo designing, making thumbnails, graphics. I have all those videos. To upload here your profile picture. As you see, I designed already. Upload it. It's already uploaded. Create your channel. Alright, that's done. How do you add a banner? So our channel is already created. We have no video, we have no subscriber. Channel customization in your YouTube studio. You see, you can see layout, branding, basic information. So branding, you can upload a banner, you can upload a watermark, a video watermark. You can decide maybe the watermark is gonna be at the end of your video, at the start, or throughout the whole video. So this is our video. It is already published, but you see we have a copyright claim. Now I'll show you in the next video how to remove a copyright claim. How can you remove that copyright claim? So check out that video up there. It will show you how to remove a copyright claim. Just check out that next video.